In this video, we will see other activities during the 12 to 24 months other than diving into the water. Please check the video on diving into the water if you haven't done so. Bubbling. We want to make the baby learn to breathe out underwater and breathe in outside of the water. Since some form of verbal communication is possible at this stage, we teach the baby not to drink the water by holding their breath or doing the bubbling technique. Moving on the surface. We make him move forward on the surface of the water. We make him kick and paddle. Moving forward underwater. We practice moving forward underwater by kicking. We now begin playing games to catch toys underwater. When the baby can open its eyes underwater and observe things, he will really start to enjoy playing. This is very important to enjoy snorkeling later. Understanding depth. Now that he can hold his breath fairly well, we now go under a little deeper. First, the parent goes underwater deeper and lets the baby look so that he can understand depth. Then we let him try to go deeper by himself. Going deeper. The baby will not be good going deeper by himself in the beginning. That is why the parent has to pull the baby under little by little and help him experience going deeper. Of course, we go deeper according to how much he can hold his breath and how comfortable he feels. In the next video, we will see how much Zaha's diving has improved.